Here's how to disable the two Gmail settings that allow Google to scan your emails for AI training and cross-product personalization. Open Gmail in your browser, click the gear icon in the top right, and select See All Settings. Make sure you're on the General tab. Scroll down until you see Smart Features. When this is on, Gmail uses your email content to power features like Smart Compose, auto-categorization, and summaries. If you do not want your emails processed for these purposes, toggle it off and click Turn Off and Reload. That covers Gmail itself, but there's a second setting most people miss, one that affects other Google products too. Just below Smart Features, look for Google Workspace Smart Features and click Manage Workspace Smart Features Settings. This controls whether your Gmail data is used by Google Assistant, Google Maps, Google Pay, and other products to surface reminders, tracking numbers, and booking summaries. If you want to stop this, toggle it off. With both settings off, Google should stop processing your email content for these purposes. You will lose auto-sorting and some smart suggestions, but your private emails, receipts, and documents will no longer be analyzed across Google's ecosystem. Repeat these steps for every Google account you use, personal, work, and any extras. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.